Welcome to the Scientific Edge. I'm Tony, and today we're diving into the fascinating world of animal intelligence and consciousness. We'll explore the smartest animals on Earth, compare their cognitive abilities to humans and other animals, and delve into the latest scientific research uncovering the secrets of these sophisticated beings. Intelligence in animals is a captivating topic. While humans are often seen as the pinnacle of intelligence, many animals exhibit remarkable cognitive abilities and behaviors that challenge our understanding of consciousness. Intelligence generally refers to the ability to learn, solve problems, and adapt to new situations. Consciousness, on the other hand, involves self-awareness, the ability to experience emotions, and an understanding of one's own existence. With these definitions in mind, let's explore some of the smartest animals on our planet. Dolphins are often considered one of the most intelligent species on Earth. They exhibit complex social behaviors, use sophisticated communication methods, and have shown problem-solving skills that rival those of primates. Dolphins have large brains relative to their body size, and their cerebral cortex, the part of the brain involved in higher-order functions, is highly developed. They can recognize themselves in mirrors, indicating self-awareness, and even create unique vocalizations that function like names. Research has shown that dolphins can understand abstract concepts, such as numerosity, and they can cooperate to solve tasks that require teamwork. Next, we have chimpanzees, our closest relatives in the animal kingdom. Chimps use tools, exhibit complex social behaviors, and can learn sign language to communicate with humans. Chimpanzees share about 98% of their DNA with humans, and their cognitive abilities reflect this close genetic relationship. They can solve puzzles, exhibit empathy, and plan for the future, all signs of advanced intelligence. In the wild, chimps have been observed using sticks to fish for termites, stones to crack open nuts, and even leaves as sponges to soak up drinking water. These behaviors demonstrate their ability to learn from their environment and innovate solutions to problems. Elephants are another example of highly intelligent animals. Known for their impressive memories and emotional depth, elephants display behaviors that suggest a high level of consciousness. Elephants have complex social structures and can recognize themselves in mirrors, indicating self-awareness. They also show empathy and mourning behaviors, which are rare in the animal kingdom. Elephants can remember the locations of water sources and the routes to them, even if they haven't visited them in years. Their ability to form strong social bonds and communicate through infrasound low-frequency sounds that travel long distances further highlights their sophisticated communication skills. Crows and other corvids are renowned for their problem-solving skills and use of tools. These birds can remember human faces, solve complex puzzles, and even demonstrate the ability to plan for future needs. Crows have remarkable problem-solving abilities and can use tools in innovative ways. Their intelligence is comparable to that of great apes, despite their smaller brain size. Studies have shown that crows can use tools and sequences to achieve a goal, such as using a short stick to retrieve a longer stick, which they then use to get food. This demonstrates their ability to plan and understand the cause and effect relationships. Now let's compare the intelligence of these animals to humans. While animals like dolphins, chimps, elephants, and crows exhibit impressive cognitive abilities, there are key differences in how they and humans process information and solve problems. Humans have larger prefrontal cortices, which are associated with complex decision-making, planning, and abstract thinking. Our ability to use language, create art, and develop advanced technologies sets us apart. However, the cognitive abilities of these animals show that intelligence is not unique to humans and can manifest in diverse and fascinating ways. Humans and these intelligent animals share some cognitive skills, such as problem-solving and social learning, but the way we apply these skills can differ. For example, while humans use technology to solve complex problems, animals like crows and chimps use natural tools found in their environment. Understanding these differences helps us appreciate the diverse ways intelligence can evolve and manifest. Scientists are continually discovering new insights into animal intelligence and consciousness. Advanced imaging techniques such as fMRI allow researchers to study animal brains in unprecedented detail. Behavioral studies and field research provide valuable data on how animals think, feel, and interact with their environments. Modern neuroscience is uncovering the neural basis of animal intelligence. By studying the brain activity of intelligent animals, we can better understand the evolution of cognitive abilities and the underlying mechanisms of consciousness. For instance, research on the brain structures of octopuses has revealed that these invertebrates possess a unique central nervous system that allows for complex behaviors and problem-solving abilities. Research on animal intelligence not only enhances our understanding of the natural world, but also has practical applications. It can inform conservation efforts, improve animal welfare, and even inspire new technologies. For example, studying the social structures of elephants can help in developing better conservation strategies, while understanding the navigation skills of migratory birds can improve our knowledge of animal migration patterns. In conclusion, the intelligence and consciousness of animals are remarkable and diverse. Dolphins, chimps, elephants, and crows demonstrate cognitive abilities that challenge our understanding of what it means to be intelligent. Ongoing scientific research continues to reveal the complexities of animal minds and the fascinating ways they navigate their worlds. Thanks for joining me on this exploration of animal intelligence and consciousness. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more intriguing scientific content. Stay curious, and see you next time on The Scientific Edge.